Good morning, traders. This is a binary options trading recap. I took 3 trades this morning. I normally just take one. If I win that first trade, then I stop trading, because even if I win 2 out of 3 trades, my payout or my P&L will be better if I would have just stopped at that one trade. But what happened this morning was the first trade failed. So when that happens, I try to take 2 more trades in the hopes of winning both of those trades. I mean, my win rate is higher than 50%. It's much higher, in fact, it's 70%. So that means that there's always a better likelihood or higher probability of me winning a trade than losing a trade. So at least there's some statistics to back that up. I'm not just trying to take more trades. Now, if let's say the statistics don't work out in my favor and those second trades fail, then I stop trading after that, because you can get out of control very easily with binary options. It's so easy to place trades. All you do is click a button and you're in a trade, and before you know it, you could have gone through your entire account. So it's really important to have a max number of trades. If you think you're going to have trouble sticking to it, then you should probably just take 1 trade per day, and if you lose that trade, just accept it and move on to the next day. So let's take a look at the first trade I took. So at the beginning there, let me just show you, I pick all the currency pairs that are paying out 80% or more. If they're below that, I don't touch them, because it lowers my, it increases my break-even win rate. So I have to win more trades in order to be break-even. So that's why I want to see 80% or more on the payout. So this is the first trade that I take. It's on the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Just get to near the entry here. So you can see the price is trending up, and then now it's looking like it's going to reverse. The stochastic indicator is about to break down through this horizontal line. Once it does, then I can take an entry. You can see it's just peaking below it here. I'm just kind of waiting for a little bit more confirmation. Let's fast forward here a little bit. Okay, so now it's definitely broken below. You could just see it just peeking out through there. So I placed my trade for the downside. All the criteria was met. I want to see the price breaking out above the top line of the Keltner channel, and I also want to see it touching the underside, in this case, of the zigzag indicator. So everything is met. So the trade was good. It was a valid trade according to my plan. And you can see that for about the first half of the trade, I was in the green on it. But that doesn't matter. All that matters is where you are when the trade ends, and you can see that it kind of reverses, and I'm just looking at other currency pairs in the meantime, but there, it reverses, and it starting to head back up. And then we only have a few seconds left on the trade, and we lose the trade. So we lost $1 because that's what I'm trading with right now. No reason to trade with more at this point because I'm new to this. And you can see a few seconds later, the price came down and closed. So it was close to winning, I guess you could say, but again, it doesn't matter. It's either a win or a loss. That's it. And even if I would have waited, I already checked on the chart. If I would have waited till the next candle closed or something, the trade still would have lost because the price ended up reversing and going up higher. So it's just what's going to happen sometimes. You're going to lose the trades even if the setups are decent. So let's take a look at the next 2 trades. All right, so here we are on the euro and the Swiss franc. And again, it's kind of same exact setup. The price is breaking above the Keltner channel. Oops, let's go back to that previous currency pair. And the candlesticks are hitting the bottom of the zigzag indicator, and we're getting the signal that the price is going to go down on the stochastic. All right, and then here's on the Canadian Swiss franc currency pair, same exact setup, and the stochastic is pointing down. So now we are ready to place our bet that the price will go down. And fast forward here. So you can see we're green on the euro Swiss franc, and the Canadian Swiss franc is not working out yet. Now it is. And now we're in the red again. So again, all that matters is where it is when the trade ends. So here we got 2 green trades so far with 5 seconds left. All right, so that's it. There we go. We've won both of those trades. So that means that we are green on the day. Let me show you the spreadsheet. So 160.27, that's where the account size is now. The win rate was 67%. Came away with 73 cents profit. Again, we're only risking $1. And the maximum we can make on one single trade is a fraction of that dollar, whatever the payout is. So here is the first trade. We lost $1. When you lose the entire dollar. And here's the second trade. We made 88 cents on that one. And the third trade, we made 85 cents. So you combine those two together, and you've got a green day. And number of trades so far, 21. Our overall win rate is 70%. Based on the P&L so far is just under $6. And percent change on the account is 3.8%. We just started trading this really a couple weeks ago, so not too bad. Actually, not even 2 full weeks. Average payout 85%, and that makes my break-even win rate about 54%. So we're well above that. But you really want to stay, I guess, as far away from that break-even win rate as possible with these binary options. So anyway, that's it. If you have any questions about this, let me know. I'm just testing this out at the moment with this $1. If the account goes up to $200, then I'm going to increase this. Actually, if the account goes to $165, I'll increase my risk to $1.50. And then if we continue in the fashion we are, then the account should grow a little bit faster. And then once I get to $200, I'm going to increase the trade amount to $2. And then I'll let you know when we get there what happens if it falls below the $200, where am I going to go down to and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's it. And then just to let you know, I trade a very specific binary options trading plan. And at the very beginning of it, I put in these reminders, things that I learn along the way, so that I know that I don't make those mistakes again. If I read this every single day, I'll remember them and I won't make the mistakes again. If you want to download that binary options trading plan, it is available at it's available at patreon.com/tradingarmor. And I want to take it out to 100 trades before I say for sure that it's profitable. But so far it is. After 21 trades, it's proving profitable. That doesn't guarantee that it's going to make you money or that you're going to be profitable with it. You might trade it slightly different than I do, but it's very specific. And all I do is do exactly what it says. But also I have, over a year of experience trading stocks and other things. So it's not like I'm brand new to this. If you are brand new to trading, this is not a good place to start. Start with stocks, and then you can maybe work your way to binary options. If you develop the discipline to follow your plan with stocks, then you can transfer that discipline to binary options. That's the only way. So again, let me know if you have any questions. Hit the like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.